Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. And I'm hoping that you're actually good and healthy from wherever you're watching this from. Staying safe. Oh, there's a lot of shit. There's a lot of crazy shit going on right now, so you better stay safe, bro. So, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys with this Post Malone Drumkit and sample pack. It's a crazy sample pack. There's a lot of things in here. Some nice goodies for you to actually start making crazy banging beats with this. So before we actually go further, you know what to do. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with the midis. So I'm gonna play you all the midis, and then I'm gonna go to the drums. So without no further ado, let's get started with this. So play the first midi. So before I actually press play, I want to say this, that for the demonstration of the midis, I try using the same instrument that I use in making the beat that you can hear playing in the background, so you can actually understand what I actually did to make that beat sound like that. Alright, cool, let's like that. Second. Alright, third. Fifth. Alright, that is a MIDI. Those are the midis. So link in the description down below. And if you're having any problems, downloading this stuff, you can just send me your whatever, your email, and I can just send you this stuff directly. Because I've been getting a lot of people telling me that they've been having a lot of problems, downloading my stuff. So I'm just saying this. I'm just putting it out. So if you actually if you're having any problems, getting some of this stuff, just send me your email and I can send you directly some of this amazing stuff. So let's move forward. So I'm gonna start with the bass, then I'm gonna go to the drums. Alright, claps. Hi-hats. horn shots, percussion, snares, yeah. So that's it, man. So it's a crazy package. Some nice drums that have been processed nicely. So I don't want to waste your time further. This is not a long video. I just wanted to show you the drum kit. So enjoy doing this, enjoy making crazy stuff. And I said, if you actually get any problems, downloading some of this stuff, just send me your email and I can send you the stuff directly. And be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe.